What's going on, everybody? I'm back here with another do-it-yourself project. I was able to come across these fluorescent light fixtures. They were throwing them out, and I needed them for a bunch of LED lights I have. They cut the ballast out. I don't need the ballast. Basically, all I needed was these tombstones here, and I stripped all the wires out and wired them up. Basically, for a fluorescent light, these are powered with a shunt, which means there's a jumper wire between these two ends, and then powered through there. For LED lights, each post is powered with a positive and negative, and that's all we need. And the other side is just completely stripped down with nothing on it. And so I have this one all set up. You can kind of see that end is completely stripped down, no wires, nothing, basically just support for one end of the light. This end is basically wired, and I'll continue to wire this. And what I'm doing is mounting these to a strip of white trim and connecting them all so they're 8 foot long. And I just put a cord on it. I'll go through kind of what I'm doing and show you. What I'm doing right now is centering it up on this trim. I marked a center line, just kind of eyeballing its center here, and also center back here. Just running a few of these self-tappers through it just to kind of secure everything together. I'll use one of these to join the two together to the existing hole, just to protect the wires from the edge of the metal. Show you what I did right there. Basically, these are pushing, so I basically just pushed one in there, so that'll feed one side positive, one side negative, and then these, the way I have these wired, it'll just go back and forth between the two, make it a little cleaner. They come through this side, basically the same thing here, so I'll join that wire and that wire, positive, negative there, then I'll run a wire through here on the side, which I'll do right now. Buying a bunch of these, they were a lot cheaper than buying the power cords. These LED lights shouldn't draw that much, and these cords should be fine for what I'm using them for, just above my bench. Got them all wired up and put the lights in. Got all the lights are in, wire nuts are on, and the power cord is secured here. And let's give it a shot, see how it looks powered up. So I just ran an extension cord so I could reach it, and the power cord here, and just plug it in and see how. Just messing with you. Came out pretty good. I'm happy. Let's get these things hung in this barn and light up the shop area. Looks good. It's probably hard to see me with all these bright lights behind, but you can see there's two different colors. There's the natural and the warm. I really like the natural. The warm would be better for in a house, for my shop, looking to light up the bench area and that. I really like the natural color. These are all wrapped up. I don't have much invested, basically power cords. Got the frames out of the garbage and came across the LED lights through somebody purchased them that didn't want them, so I got a smoking deal on those. Get ready to get these hung up in here. If you like the video, subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more to come. If you really like this video, click like down below and stay tuned for the next project coming up.